In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Yahoo Mail toolbar. By the end, you'll have a cleaner, more comfortable inbox that looks and behaves exactly the way you like. Start by opening your browser and heading to yahoo.com. In the top right, click Sign In and enter your account credentials. If you're already signed in, you can skip straight ahead. Next, click the Mail icon in the upper right to open your inbox. Once you're in Mail, look to the top right for the settings gear and click it. A quick panel will slide out. From there, select More Settings to open the full settings page. In the left-hand menu, choose Appearance. This is where the visual tweaks live, and every change you make will update instantly. No save button needed, so feel free to experiment and switch back if something doesn't feel right. Under Theme, pick a color you like, or choose one of the built-in background images. Colors give a clean, distraction-free look, while images add personality without changing how anything works. Right below that, choose your overall mode, light, medium, or dark. Light mode maximizes contrast for bright spaces. Medium softens the interface just a bit. Dark mode is great for low-light environments and can reduce eye strain. If you use a laptop, you may also find dark themes can help a little with battery life. Next, adjust your message layout. You can keep a simple list view or enable a reading pane on the right or at the bottom. List is ideal if you prefer scanning lots of messages quickly. The right pane is a balanced layout that keeps your thread visible while you browse. Bottom pane works well on wider screens and gives your message more vertical space. Fine-tune spacing with inbox spacing, small, medium, or large. Small fits more emails on the screen, perfect for busy inboxes. Medium is a safe middle ground. Large adds breathing room and is easier on the eyes, especially if you're reading for long stretches. If you like multitasking, turn on message tabs. Each email you open becomes a tab across the top of the mailbox so you can switch between conversations without losing your place. Prefer a cleaner view, you can leave this off. You can also enable message preview to show a short snippet of the email beneath the subject line. This helps you triage quickly. If you're on a shared screen, consider leaving previews off to keep content private. That's all there is to it. You've customized your Yahoo Mail experience, theme mode, layout, spacing, tabs, and previews to match how you work. Enjoy a faster, more comfortable inbox.